Hey traders and investors, Tyson Clayton here, Market Traders Institute. I want to talk about Forex quotes and how to read them. When you first open up your platform, you're looking at bid and asks, and you're probably wondering, well, what does that mean and how do I read all this information? Well, first of all, I want to explain kind of the differences between the major pairs and large but non-major pairs and how it's quoted. The major pairs really are five majors. We've got the euro, we've got the dollar, the yen, the pound, and the Swiss. Those are the five major currency pairs that a lot of other currency pairs around the world are going to be baseline. This is the baseline. We also have large but non-major currency pairs, such as the New Zealand, the Aussie, and the CAD. Now, these aren't exotics. We've talked about exotics in other videos. These are the large and major currency pairs that we want to quote in. Now, the way a quote works is it works as a bid and an ask, essentially a buy and a sell level. I'll give you an example. Let's say the euro dollar, which is quoted in two pairs, right? It's euro versus dollar. When it's trading at, let's say, a price of $1.23, what that means is for every 1 euro, it's going to take me $1.23 to buy a euro. This is the base pair. That's how it's quoted. Now, it's also quoted in a bid-ask format. You're going to see this on your charting platform. With the bid-ask, and let's just say that the bid-ask is trading for $1.23 bid, or that's the level I want to buy at. If I'm a buyer, I want to buy at $1.23. I want to buy cheap. And let's say the ask is $1.2302. So there's a little bit of the spread between those, right? We got 2 pip spread. So if I'm buying at $1.23 and the seller's over here, this is called the ask. They're asking for $1.2302. Well, somebody's got to give something up, right? There's also something called a market order, which I'll explain in a second here. But something's got to give up. Somebody's got to either step in and say, hey, I'll go ahead and buy it for this level, or hey, I'll go ahead and sell it for this level, one or the other. But as a buyer, I want to buy it for here. I want to put my order in here. I'm going to put a limit order, and I want to say, hey, I want to buy it for $1.23. The sellers are saying, well, no, that's great. That's great that you want to buy it for $1.23, but we're not going to let you buy it for $1.23. We're going to charge you $1.2302. So how do you actually trade this? Well, there's people that will come in based on patterns. There's people that will come in and do market orders. So let's say I wanted to get out of a trade right away. I could come in and I could just sell if I'm long or bought something. I could just sell automatically and it'll automatically get filled at the bid. And if I want to buy something automatically, I just want to get in because I think it's going to go up aggressively right away, I can just go ahead and buy at the ask. Say, okay, well, you're willing to sell it for that price? Bam, get me in. And the broker will charge a slight spread between the bid and the ask. The broker will make a little bit of a commission on that. It's very small, but again, you trade between the bid and the ask. I can also do what's called a limit order. Let's say I really like that this is trading at 123 by 2302. And I'm like, you know what? I don't know if it's going to get down to this 123, but I don't want to pay this price. I can do what's called a limit order, and I can kind of split the bid and the ask and put an order in at 123.01 and look to get the difference between the bid and the ask. It's a little bit of a game that you can play in the markets. There's a lot of different order techniques you can use with limit orders, bracket orders, OCOs, which stands for order cancels order. We teach all of this in our live trading sessions, and we're going to do it absolutely free. All you got to do is click on the link below, join us one of our free sessions, and we'll teach you about this, fundamental announcements, technicals. Join us today. And if you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep you up to date on Forex, on the currencies, on stocks, on cryptocurrencies, really everything in the financial world. I'll see you in the trading room.